Coffee?
Oh, thank you. Cheers. Good coffee.
Good coffee. All right.
Yay! What's up, guys? How's it going? Seriously, how is it going? Because it's like a pretty tough time in the world right about now. How are you going?
Oh, I'm on holiday.
Have I driven you crazy yet?
Yeah, we've been doing that for years.
So we are at home, as pretty much most of you will probably be at home right about now, which is a good thing. Stay home, save lives. We thought we'd make this video because we've had a bit of a change of plans.
Things have definitely changed.
Just a little.
Probably changed for everyone.
Yeah.
So everyone's sort of dealing with that, but
When life gives you coronavirus, you just gotta make
content.
So basically, we did have a plan. Right now, we were actually meant to be traveling up the east coast of Australia. We were going to be showcasing some incredible homes, some beautiful spaces, locations, specifically around a lot of the areas affected by bushfires in Australia. So a lot of regional Victoria and New South Wales, which we still are going to do. It's just we're now housebound, unfortunately. So we can't wait to do those travels. We are very, very excited. And as soon as we can, we will be out and about and talking about all those incredible spaces. But for now,
Where were we supposed to be this week?
I believe by this point we were maybe Byron Bay. It was a bit sad actually. We were ready to go and we had to cancel our travels literally last minute. So you know what? Everybody's had things thrown their way and everyone's having to deal with change and challenges. So we're just trying to make the best out of the situation. So because we're at home, guess what? There's going to be more home makeovers.
Yes.
Yay! So what rooms are we going to be doing, Jonno?
We've got plenty of rooms left. What have we done so far?
Well, we're in the living room now.
Done the living room.
Love the living room. You guys, your comments were fantastic as well. You guys really loved it. You really loved the colour that we went in here. So I'm really glad that we were a bit, we were gutsy enough to go bold and go a bit of colour on the walls. The bathroom. Bathroom's holding up really well. Huge transformation.
Everyone keeps asking how the tiles and the paint
Yes.
and all of that's holding up.
Yeah,
it's holding up really well.
Holding up really well. A lot of the comments, how did the renovation range paint hold up? How does it wear? It wears really well. If I get scuff marks or anything, or if it gets dirty, I've just been cleaning it as normal. The only thing that I haven't been doing, which it suggests not to do, is to use any kind of heavy duty bleach or harsh chemicals. So I've just been using your standard.
Which we don't use anyway, so
No.
it doesn't really matter.
I've just been using your standard sugar soap or your spray and wipes and whatever, and it's been fine. It's held up really well. If you're thinking about it, would recommend it. It was really, really good. The big beast of the kitchen makeover. So glad that one is done. That nearly broke us a little bit. I think I'm overtired and really emotional.
Well, it's kind of annoying living in a house, renovating a kitchen while you don't have a kitchen. Makes it really hard to eat well. But now we're eating well.
Now we're eating well.
Housebound
now that we've
and
got
eating
the
well.
shop. So it's
The
good.
shop, yep.
You guys love the shop, and we've actually had lots more comments, basically questions asking us to do a pantry organization video as well. So that might be coming your way. And then obviously the laundry makeover.
Yep.
Huge transformation. That actually potentially my new favorite room in the home. Never thought I would ever say that, but I love that laundry.
It's good. We've actually got laundry storage.
Yeah.
For linen,
Oh,
for towels. Every time I used to go for a surf, I'd go, where are the beach towels? And they'd be on a pile in the spare bedroom, or usually I just keep a couple in my car 24/7. Never had anywhere to store towels, so that's a bonus.
well done. Is that literally the highlight, that you now have
Yeah.
somewhere to put your beach towels?
I've hidden my weddy tub and my weddies in there as well in one of those cupboards. Good to have storage. Storage is great.
I feel like I need to watch what you put in these cupboards. I can't have you just filling them with all of your stuff.
Yeah.
We've done 4 rooms so far, and next up we've got...
What else have we done? We've just done the office. No one's seen the office
No one's
yet.
seen it. So that's going to be our next room makeover for you
Full
guys.
office makeover.
Yeah.
We spent a lot of time working from home. We've
We
been
do.
working from home for 8 months, and we've had a terribly disorganised, unproductive, messy space.
Another embarrassing space, so we're
But it's
showing everyone, and I
good
can't
now.
believe we're showing everyone, but hey, it looks really good now. We can't wait to share that with you. And you know what, we've also done some other pieces around the home, basically how to be productive, because like Jonno said, we've been working from home for quite a long time, so we've kind of gotten into a bit of a groove, and we like to think we know a thing or two about how to be productive at home. So we're going to be sharing those tips with you this month, as well as a few other ideas around wellness as well, and how to kind of keep your sanity during this time, because that's been a bit difficult, let's be honest. I've had my moment. You've had your moments, haven't you? And so there's things that we can do in order to kind of breathe, be happy, basically.
So now, because we've got to change, we've got some other rooms that we can tackle.
What rooms?
We've got a dining room, master bedroom, spare bedroom.
Yes, that's so good.
Junk room at the moment. And we have the green room, rec room, sunroom, yoga room, content shooting room.
Everything room.
It's this extra room.
Yes. So we've got more makeovers coming your way, which we're really excited to bring you guys because you have been absolutely loving. Should I read some comments?
Sure, read some comments.
Oh, Siri, go away.
Hot down, Siri.
Okay. This is a good one. Hunter Castry says, this is about the kitchen makeover. I love it. My only confusion is the Vegemite in the fridge. No, seriously. Brilliant and inspiring job. Got a lot of flack over the Vegemite in the fridge. And do you know what?
I didn't think it was a crime.
It is a crime. And
Why is it a crime?
even I think it's a crime because I remember seeing your mum do it for the first time. I was like, what? That's not a thing.
Why is it not a thing?
It should live in the pantry. Vegemite should live in the pantry, right? Every
Who
time.
says?
Well, I say, I'm pretty sure like 99.9% of Australians say that. Let us know in the comments
Well,
below.
we'll do a poll. Let us know below.
Yeah.
Vegemite in the fridge or not in the fridge?
Or pantry. Another one about the kitchen makeover. Absolutely love it. Amazing before and after. And I really, really love these makeover episodes. Are you guys going to show us more houses though anytime soon? Cheers from Buenos Aires, Argentina, from Christian. Thank you, Christian. More home tours coming. Yes, absolutely. But we are at the mercy of
The world.
So once the world starts to shift and change, we will then start to bring you some more home tours. Watch this space. There's definitely going to be a lot more home tours coming as soon as we can. Ella, holy shit, it looks amazing. Still think the tile backsplash would have looked better with the shiny white tile, but it still looks insane. Shiny white tile probably would have looked cool, but I do like the marble that we went in the end.
Well, there's just a bit more texture and irregularity going on in that tile that we put in there.
Harriet, she says, found your channel yesterday and I'm loving watching these renovations. This is entirely inappropriate to say, but your bum is lovely. Thanks, Harriet.
Good bum.
This one made me laugh. Sarah says, this is about the Kip & Co home tour that we did. So Alex's home in St Kilda, this beautiful colourful cottage. How cringe that she is eating chocolate from the pantry and putting on someone else's bracelets. Like, what? Back off, lady. This isn't your house.
All right. No chocolate is safe.
Not my house, but that's what I love about home tours is that, you know, I get to go in and do all the things that you kind of...
You do all the things that everyone wants to do when they go into someone else's home.
Yeah. Epic Boom commented on the block home tour that we did.
The winning block house from
winning.
2019.
2019, last year. Love the booze. Imagine you guys are hella fun at dinner parties. We are Epic Boom. We are hella fun. Not that we can have
right
dinner
now.
parties at the moment. Although we're testing a Zoom dinner party on Friday, aren't we, for Easter? So that'll be exciting.
Yeah.
Barry Martin commented, say it with me, wood. Stop saying timber. It's timber. Timber is not in the dictionary. I think he's having a go at my Australian accent.
Yeah, a lot of people from the US think that we speak funny.
Yeah.
Do we speak funny?
Do we
in
speak
Australia?
funny? Maybe
In
we
Australia?
do. Here is the comment of the month. Mark, you are a legend. This is about the bathroom makeover, right? What a great transformation. You guys did a super job and those panels were such a neat idea. All that work you guys did has made me so tired, I think I'll hit the lounger and have a beer. Thank you so much, Mark. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. That wins my best comment.
Pretty good if we're making other people tired. It shows how much bloody work goes into it.
That is so true. A lot of work went into these makeovers and we show a lot of the behind the scenes and the dirtiness and kind of this stress and just everything. And it's a pretty unfiltered view that we show people, really. So you guys have really loved the fact that, I guess, of how we put our videos together.
Better showing it how it happens.
How it happens, yeah, exactly. So basically, there's more fun stuff to come from the comfort of our own home. We hope that you guys are doing okay in your own home. Please stay healthy, please stay happy, and we'll keep making more content for you guys to keep you entertained and get you
Got
through
any
this.
suggestions? Leave them down below. Do you want to see our coffee setup. Some people are asking to see our coffee setup. Some people are asking more about your record setup. What else do you want to see in our home, how we do things, what we use? Let it below. And if you've got sweet locations for when everything changes again and we're back on the road, let us know. Houses, Airbnbs, hotels, locations, areas. We really want to just showcase so much more cool design and architecture and spaces and places.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next week.
I've got one.
Oh, okay, what's yours?
If you squint, she looks a lot like Kurt Cobain.
Can you squint at me? Do I look like Kurt Cobain? Seriously? Do I look like Kurt Cobain? Can you leave me a comment below? Can we all squint and let me know if that's legit?